Alekha Advani and Aadar Jain's wedding celebration was nothing short of a fairy tale. The couple's magical journey began with Alekha's breathtaking entrance, which had everyone in awe. As she walked down the aisle towards her groom, Aadar Jain, the atmosphere was filled with pure love and excitement. Her stunning bridal look, combined with her graceful walk, made the moment unforgettable, marking the start of their beautiful new chapter together. It was a sight to behold, as every step she took was filled with elegance and emotion. Following the vows and the exchange of their Varmala, the groom, Aadar, couldn't contain his joy. In a tender and loving moment, Aadar kissed Alekha as they embraced their new life as husband and wife. This intimate gesture captured the essence of their deep affection for each other, making the occasion even more memorable for all in attendance. The celebration continued to impress, especially when Aadar Jain's Bharat turned into an energetic spectacle. None other than the stunning Karisma Kapoor led the dance floor, bringing even more life and energy to the already vibrant festivities. Known for her grace and dancing skills, Karisma added a special touch to the Bharat, ensuring that the joyful spirit of the day was infectious and unforgettable. The guests couldn't resist joining in, with everyone dancing to the beats and making the moment feel like a true celebration of love and happiness. Inside the wedding festivities, love, laughter, and warmth filled the air as the Kapoor family, along with the couple's close friends, gathered to celebrate Aadar and Alekha's union. The event was a blend of joy, tradition, and family bonds. Every detail, from the decorations to the heartfelt speeches, highlighted the strong connections between the families. The day was filled with cherished memories, creating an unforgettable experience for everyone involved. This wedding wasn't just a union of two individuals, but a celebration of love, family, and togetherness. As Aadar Jain and Alekha Advani embarked on this new journey, the magic of their special day will forever be etched in the hearts of those who witnessed it.